My Miele CVA 4066 is stuck in descale mode. It stalled toward the end of the program in the empty drip tray step and now will not reset or redescale. What do I do?
Do you still need help?
Yes, the machine is still down.
First, try to remove the power to the unit by unplugging it, or if it is hardwired, pull the breaker for 1 hour and then power it back up. This usually works, but let me know if it doesn't.
Did not work after the first hour. I will it powered off at the breaker overnight and try again in the morning. After 1 hour, the clock had held its time. I will rate you for your advice in the morning. I appreciate your effort and think your suggestion is worth $50 even if I have to bring Miele service in. I will try powering down for 1 hour. Should I rerun descale if it comes back up?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.